Okay, everybody, so real quick, we're going to talk about this pudding. I actually made this pudding from scratch. I got the recipe offline, and I made the pudding because I really did not want it watery. I do not like banana pudding that's watery. So the ingredients for this pudding, I'm going to tell y'all now how I did it. It required whole milk. I think like maybe a cup, no, 2.5 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of what's called that stuff? Heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a 3/4 cup of sugar. It also required teaspoon or tablespoon of vanilla, 6 egg yolks, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. And was it something else? I think that's about it. But it turned out really good. It was very, very, very flavorful. The consistency was super great. It wasn't all runny. It was a nice consistency. I had to stir, but it did not, it wasn't watery. And then when it came down to the bananas, they had suggested that I get the bananas with a little bit of green around the stem. And I did that. And because it said that the banana is too ripe, it causes water to be in your pudding. So I didn't want that to happen. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate all the love I'm getting from all my viewers. If you have any questions, hey, just hit me up in down below, making a comment, because I do respond to every comment that comes my way. Y'all take care and have a good day. Continue to watch the video until the end. Thank you.